Okay, let's do one more Vi feature. Can somebody remind me of the thing that makes it so that you can have a cursor on the screen? I do not remember. Someone said, oh man, this would make a great long form video. I'm actually every single day afterwards, I go over and I talk about what I've done for each one of these videos. There's a poke for it. It's like poke 204. Someone is saying. I cannot remember. Let's find out. Poke block character. Yeah, what is the... Does anyone remember what it is? Here, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to open up ChatGPT and see what it has to say. I want to poke Commodore 64 so I can see the block blinking character when executing a get. There we go. Those are a lot of really weird words. It's 2041. Let's see what this one has to say. Classic C64 sorcery, smiley face. I really hate you. I hope you know that. Poke 2041. Okay, nice. I just want to let you know I literally hate when it talks like that. Dude, you're not laughing. You're not anything. You're just repeating stupid things that people hear on Twitter. It's annoying. Shut the hell up.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Absolutely hate it. I just want to let you know. Hey, Miss Singer, thank you for the gifted tier 1 sub. Appreciate that. Okay, I do not see my little blinky cursor, though. So that is a little annoying that I don't see it. I thought I had it with the poke 204. List 0 through 100. Oh, I did 1,000. That's fine. See, I thought I did poke 2041. I wonder if it somehow gets unset from something else. Is this a Commodore 64 Basic? It's technically the ultimate. Hey, thank you. Line 4. Well, line 4 comes back. You go sub past it. No, I don't. Go sub returns, dummy. How do you think I print Vi? Vi is not friendly. Where do you think this is? Where do you think that comes from? Let's go like this. 5, poke, 204, 204, 0. Let's try that. Perfect. Awesome. Very, very good. Now, let's go like this. Let's do some cursor position stuff. I want some good cursor position stuff. So let's have... I wonder how cursor position works. Right? Like, how would I put stuff? Hey, thank you very much. Join us, Dev. I appreciate that little bit right there. And Marmalade. Oh, it's saying I have no panel connected. Is that true? I'm pretty sure I have a panel connected, loser. Okay, well, apparently my vibe-coded app broke. Loser. I guess I'm the loser. Me being the loser. Okay, so we're so back now? Are we so back?
Sheer 200, sorry for spam. But have to see what will happen. Якщо я використовую іншу мову в
True. All right. So we now have something we need to do. So I need to do something. Okay. Let's implement movement just really quickly, right? Let's implement some movement, okay? Not that I think it's going to be very, very good. That is fine. Let's just do ourselves a little bit of a, not list. Yeah, actually list. Let's go list 45,000. 45,000 just does this. That's right. We got to fix 45,000 actually. 45,000, get a dollar. If a dollar equals empty, then 45,000. There we go. Let's go list 45,000 through 46,000. Perfect. There we go. If a equals dollar, we're going to go to 42,000. That's right. Let's go 45020. If a... Ooh, let's go like this. Actually, M... Okay, we're going to go like this. If M equals N, right? Our mode will always be in mode. If our mode equals normal... Oh my goodness, I keep doing that. If our mode equals normal, then $38,000. 4503 go to 40,000. That'd be insert mode. Actually, that really shouldn't happen. Honestly, that really shouldn't happen because insert mode should already be like running. So let's go like this. If somehow we get here, this is definitely a bug, but let's just go like that just in case. Let's go. And just do a quick save. I just heard it go. I need to find a way to know when it's done. Like, I wonder if there's a way for me to be able to know when that thing has executed and how to know that something's about to happen. You know, that's like the thing I don't know what to do. Right? All right, I am using Vi to save my game. Granted, I am saving it to temp. That's probably not the best thing to do. Let's also save this thing as... Dude, we're saving it as Vi, dog. I think we've done it. I think we should go back to Vi. I think Vi is ready. And why is that so much faster than the other way? Did you just use Vi to write Vi? I did. I used Vi to write Vi, my guy. Actually, let's try it out. W. Vi 69. I have no idea how long to sit here for because I don't know how long saving is because we have no feedback. Does worry me a little bit for that. All right, I've already saved it once, so I don't think I need to worry at all. But just in case, I'm gonna just save it one last time, just because, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little bit paranoid still after losing this too many times. Let's go to Vi just one more time because I don't think I did an 8-0. I think I just saved it as Vi. There we go. That seemed good. I'm glad I did that. Vi 69. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Let's go. Let's actually go. This is so good. All right, so let's list this thing. I also need 6 to be MO dollar. Whoopsies. 6 is MO dollar. MO, my gosh, dollars. Sorry, it's hard to type on this bad boy. N. Okay. N. There we go. I wanted 6 to be in there as that. Okay, this is good. So now let's get the movements in, right? And so what is movements? Movement is 38,000, right? 38,000, normal mode. Let's go. All right, what do we have for 38,000? Do we have anything in 38,000? Nothing. Okay, nice. 38,000 is going to be simple. So we should have a character already in here. Right, we should already have a character within this little bad boy. So I should go like this. If a dollar. Hey, thank you for that sub. Let's go. Baby, I appreciate that. All right, so now this is kind of an interesting problem that I have. I don't have something looking. I don't have the right thing going on here. We don't have row, so I can't do row. Actually, I could do row. Actually, this is good. Row. Row. Row equals row plus 1. 3810. If a dollar, I don't know how to do else statements, okay? Don't make fun of me. I don't know how to do else statements, okay? Okay. H. Then column equals column. What is that? H goes this way, so -1. 38, 3. If $A equals L, then CO equals CO plus 1. All right. 3804. If column is greater than 39, then column equals 39. 3805. If column is less than 0, then column equals, oh gosh, that's not where the equal sign is, 0. 3860. If row is greater than 24, I think that's right. Row equals, ooh, we're 1 based. Row, column, 1 or, oh my gosh, that's a great question. All right, we're gonna be 0 based. Then row, yeah, we're gonna be 0 based. We're gonna be 0 based. We're 0 based, boys. We are 0 based. I think that's probably the right move, but we're gonna find out. I actually don't know if that's the right move until we do it, okay? Your 8-bit skills deserve a tip. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I am not very good at what I'm doing. I'm really trying. It looks like YouTube is down. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened, YouTube. Looks like YouTube died. I'm so bad at this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Basic doesn't have an else statement. Yeah, you don't need an else statement. Else statements are honestly kind of like they're for bitches. You know what I mean?
Prime can now say he put his face on your grandmom's computer. Your 8-bit skills deserve a tip.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, so there we go. I should have honestly, see these lines right there? I think I screwed that up. I should probably put that a bit further down. Don't we agree? So let's go like this. Let's go 200 if column is, man, there's so many hard things. Let's not even worry about that because I have to worry about the navigation of a file. So for now, let's just navigate the screen. There's a lot more we'd have to do to make this run that I don't know if I'm prepared to do. So right now, let's just start there. I think that is very, very fair. And then let's add a new function at 52. Because remember, guys, how do we feel about 52,000? What do we say about 52,000? 52,000 is for nope, nobody. What? Nobody's talking. 52,000 is for lovers? No, we hate 52,000. Is there nobody watching my stream? Did I actually finally 8-bit people from not watching my stream anymore? No, apparently there's a lot of you guys here. Okay, maybe I'm viewbotting. Obviously, I'm viewbotting. That's like literally the only possible answer. I'm viewbotting. Okay, I'm viewbotting. I'm a viewbotter. All right. All right, let's rewrite 52,000. 52,000 is going to be move cursor, okay? Divides 57 to the 4 minus 1. Oh, that's actually a very interesting number to do that with. I didn't know that. 52,000 is going to be move cursor. So I have no idea if this is going to be stupid of me or good of me. So we're just going to start with I don't know what's happening yet. Okay? This is just move cursor. I don't know if it's good or not. Move cursor. Right? And so let's go like this. 52, we're going to start at 10. We're going to print off. I know this is very, very bad, but this is just like a good, I think this is a good start. You know what I mean? This is a good first initial start, and then we can clean it up from there. So I'm going to just move my cursor up to the top. Actually, you know what? We should actually call this, we can call this thing 52 rem reset cursor, right? And this will just reset it where it needs to be. 5220. Let's go 4i equals 1 to to c column. 5230 will be print. And then what do we need to print? We need to print this way. We're going to print out the amount of columns. I know this is not good. I can tell this isn't good, and this is going to bite me in the ass later on. But this is just part of the ass. You know, this is just part of the experience. I feel like this is part of the experience, right? I feel like this is 52, 50, 4i equals 1, 2 row, 52, 60, there we go. Notice that I'm remembering the semicolon. All right, there we go. So that does that one. And this actually is a 5280 return, right? So this just resets cursor into its proper positioning without any sort of like adjusting of the text on the screen. Can you explain how this stuff works? I'm just moving the stuff on the screen. So I'm just literally, you print the heart, prints it, moves the cursor to the tippity top, right? It's like this, watch. I did that. Actually, no, the heart's not like that, actually. What am I saying? The heart clears the screen, which we don't want to do. Good call, good call. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to do that when it's that. Hey, oh, yeah, that's right, because you have to delete all the quotes. There we go. So now we can go back into quote mode. And so now I want to go, there we go. That goes back up to where we need it to go. That goes up to the top, and then we move our way back down. Perfect. Thank you for having me walk through that. And so now that we have that, even though this is not quite correct, let's go like this. Go sub 52,000. There we go. And then 3890. We're going to go to 45,000 main loop. Main loop, boys. We're main looping. Okay? There we go. So now if I've done everything correctly here, we should be able to go like this. List 0 through 10. And I should be able to go like this. 7 row equals 0. 8 column equals 0. List 0 through 10. Oh my gosh. List 0 through, I can never quite get that. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. List 0. Oh my gosh. It's so hard not to look. I'm really trying not to look here. 0 through 10. There we go. All right, good. We got all these things. Nice. All right, so now that means if I do this correct, if I've done this correctly, I can run, and it did, if I go like this, the first J should, there we go. There we go. Nice, nice. Okay, so one of the problems with this is if your cursor is visible, it leaves a green square. So let's actually fix that. All right. All right, so let's go like that. Let's actually change that. So let's go, right now I'm calling reset cursor, which is, we can agree is probably not the best way to go about it, but that's fine. Ooh, this is actually a good question. How do we do this? Should I poke it first? I think I'm going to poke, unpoke. There's a poke to move cursor. There is. Okay, so what's the poke to move cursor? Poke 214, 211. Okay, okay, poke 214, 211. Nice, okay. List 52,000, our new favorite function now. Favorite function. Wait, no, wrong one. Yeah, no, right, that's right one. All right, so that means we're going to go like this. Rem reset cursor, so it's actually 5210 is going to be poke. This is what I'm being told reliably is going to be our Y, which is going to be our column, and 5220, which is going to be poke, 211, which is going to be our, ooh, wrong, flipped it perfectly. 5210 poke 214 row colon rem 214 is cursor row. Nice. 5220 poke 211 column rem 211 is cursor column. Just to try to remember that as things. Maybe I'm going to try putting in a comment or two, see how I feel about it. All right. Okay, interesting. Without 4 error. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I can do that. List 52,000 to 53,000. Classic. So that means all we have to do is after we do those two pokes, 5230 52, 40. I really wish I had some Zelda music right now. 50. 52, 60. Really need some Zelda music with this. This just feels wrong. There we go. 52, 80. Nice. Nice. Let's do this. And then now let's go like this. Okay, well, that is not... Those pokes were not right. I have to say, not impressed right now. That was a very bad poke.
Cheer 200. How many pokes does it take to get to the center of this toasty pop?
Yeah.
Looks like you don't have anything in 52 2018, man. FYI, doing poke past 2047 will corrupt the RAM.
It's good to know. That is very good to know. Okay, let's go back to this guy. And I'm just going to ask ChatGPT, what poke is for adjusting cursor position? Question mark. There we go. Use Pokemon 25. That's Pikachu. All right. Poke 211X. Range 0 to 39. Okay, nice. That's okay, nice. 0 to 24.
Give me the meat.
All right, I gotta go
Give it to
pee.
me raw.
I gotta be right back. All right, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? All right, well, obviously, let's just quickly do a little, let's do a quick, let's do a quick save, obviously, and try to figure out what's going wrong here. All right, I want a song that's, like, more juicy. I don't feel very juiced up by these songs. All right, there we go. This might juice me up a little bit more. Poke 202Y, rem, coordinate of cursor during input. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this one's saying that, let's just try it. You know what we can do? Here. I'm gonna go like this. Okay, it did put my cursor up there. Interesting, it did put my cursor up there. Did you notice that? That when I quit, my cursor was up there, but the blinking was not correct.
What you did, G100. Am I to Weber or are game developers to Devi? How the fuck do I make achievements? I need to track every fucking action thought I check. Fuck. Y'all gamies. See ya then.
Yeah, games are very hard. Every time, dude, the argument on the internet that somehow exists between game devs and web devs, it just means you've never game dev. That's all I think about when I see people say crap. Okay, anyways. All right, so let's try this. All right, I can click this. Poke 211. Which one is 211? 211. Okay, 211 would be... 211 is apparently your X position. Okay, so if I go like this, 30. How come my cursor's not at 30? Is it because the thing ran and then reset my cursor? That's my guess. Let's go like this. New. And let's go... let's go 10. Poke 211, 30,
Give me the
20,
meat.
poke,
Give it to me
214, 20, 20, or what am I doing? I can go like this. We're gonna just erase this bad boy. Hit enter. 30, get a dollar, if a dollar equals that, then 30. All right, so actually, and let's actually go, let's go back up here. Let's go over here, and let's go 1, because that just feels right. 1, there we go. Enter, I forgot to press enter on the other one. Enter, there we go. All right, so if I run, where's my cursor? Well, I didn't put the thing in. Okay, stop it. I'm upstairs. That's good. That's kind of actually exactly what I wanted to see. So let's also go like this. 1, poke, 204. Is it 204? What's the one? 204? 204, 1. 204, 1. There we go. Run. I still don't see it. I wonder if you move your cursor, do you need to get it to blink again? I don't know if that's true. All right, so let's go like this. List. Let's go to 21 and go poke 204, 1. Run. No, we don't see it. Okay. Need more peak? 204, 0. Oh, is it 204, 0? Dude, did I get it wrong again? Did I get it backwards again? It says to disable it. I must be getting it wrong. All right. Let's try this again. All right, 1. Actually, let's go to 21. Oh, my goodness. All right, 21. Poke 204, 0. Run. See, I see it blinking, but it's blinking all the way down there. How come it's not up there? But now watch, when I stop my program, I'm up at the top. It obviously transferred my cursor. It's just that the blinky's in the wrong spot. Right? Why does the blinky 204 not match my cursor position? I'm just curious. Oh, system 58723. I don't know what that is. What is 50? Sys 58723. I don't know what that is. What is Sys 58723? What is Sys 58732? I don't know what that is, but you guys keep saying it. $67. It executes the routine at that memory location. Okay. That doesn't seem. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna ask the chat GPT what that means. Let's see. Is the basic RUM routine that performs a home? It moves the cursor to the upper left-hand corner. No, that's definitely not what I want to do. Right? I definitely don't want to do that. Rem enable cursor. Huh. I think this thing's also wrong. Interesting. You can poke 781 and let's see, and X poke 782. Y sys 65520 to move cursor to XY. Okay, so I did see this cursor 5, whatever you call this cursor 655, whatever this is. What is this cursor 655 business? Hold on. Set cursor position row properly. The fix works reliably. Use the ROM plot routine instead of the raw pokes. The kernel has routines that sets and gets cursor position and keeps the editor in sync. 10 sys 65520 row and call. Yes, it's weird. The kernel plot routine is called sys 5520, and it updates the editor state correctly. Example. We do this one. Okay, well, let's try it out. Let's see what happens. That's fine. I mean, I'm willing to give this a try. New 10 sys 5. Let's see, sys 520, right? Okay, yeah. Let's set it to 1 and 1, right? And then 20, get a dollar. We'll just do that for now. I think that's probably good enough. Okay, I must have done the sys wrong. Did I do this? Did I do something wrong with the sys? I don't think I did something wrong with the sys. I can't tell. The system call, right? Is that what that? I assume that's what that stands for. Poke 204 0. Right? List. Use pos x or poke the grid box. It's in the book. 1-1 is below ready. No, 1-1 should be above ready. All right, okay, use poke. All right, well, I can read the book. We can read the book again and see where it's at. All right, run. See, I get syntax error in 10. I don't really know why that's a syntax error. I guess I don't even know what it does. You know what I mean? I don't even know what it does. Right? I think I got to go back to this thing. Screen coordinate, the screen color and coordinate maps business. All right. All right, so we have the memory map. Very exciting. Sys doesn't get any arguments. Oh, interesting. Okay, well then all right, so I gotta find in here where this is because, dude, ChatGPT is just super bad at this stuff. Honestly, it's super bad at this kind of stuff. Simple animations, no. I wish there was a way that said like all the pokes. Do poke, sys. Okay, so go like this. So what you're trying to say is to do a, here, we'll do 10, poke 214, 2, poke 211. Oh my gosh. I do that every single time. 2, sys 65520. Okay, so we have to run the sys call. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, load, whoopsies. I should be able to have a nice little, what did I call it? I called it, what was the thing I called it? Did I call it Vi69? Do you remember what the last thing I called it was? I wish I knew the ordering in which it was last saved. Now I can't remember what it is. Vi69? Is that what we called it? Oh, man. Did I not save it? Dude, that would be awful. Because it's like so hard for me to remember what it was I was doing. Vi2 temp? Was it Vi2 temp? It could be Vi2 temp. I feel like it is Vi2 temp. No, hold on. Let's not do that. Let's go list 52,000. Remember, we hated 52,000. Okay, so there's nothing in 52,000. Okay, so it's definitely not that one. Load Vi2 temp 8. Or it was just Vi, maybe. Maybe it was just Vi. It could be just Vi. All right, nice. Okay, load Vi. All right, so did I lose it? Did I just rely on my program that is in fact not ready to do this stuff? That would hurt. That would hurt a little bit. No, it's 69. I should probably get in the habit of always just saving it manually. Is that probably the right way to do this? All right, load, Damn. Damn, that hurts. I'm not gonna lie to you, that really hurts. All right, I did that on accident. Okay, this one has 52. And this is the old command one. Okay, this one sucks. So I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to load. Ooh, shit. I don't even know which one it is. This is actually a really, this is a very interesting problem we're in. Oh, man, that one is list 38. Oh, man, that is this. Please tell me this is not the case. Damn, that you know, that's going to hurt. I'm not going to lie to you. This is going to hurt. Dude, I'm just taking some serious L's. Because 38 was normal. Damn. All right, do I at least have... All right, I still have all the saving. Okay. I do have normal mode. Okay, so I do have normal mode. Okay, so this is actually... Okay, so it did save to this point. I must have not... Yeah, okay, so it did save to this point. This is fine. This is fine. Hey, this is fine. Okay, that's fine. You know what? Whatever. All right, so we don't have anything there. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so let's just go to 38,000. That's fine. We got this. 38,000. We got this. This is not a big deal. And let's just do the following. We'll go like this. Actually, hold on. Let's list 0 through 10. Okay. Yikes. Yikes. I can't remember what I've done. Let's go 6. Row equals row equals 1. Call equals 1. And then let's always go go sub 52,000. Boom. Okay, there we go. We got that one in. 52,000 will be simple. 52,000 simply just goes poke. It's 214 is what? Is 214 width or height? I can't even remember. Let's see if this thing... Dude, can I even trust? This thing's saying it's height. I don't even know if I can trust this thing, but whatever. 5210 poke 211. What's the problem about 52 20 sys 655 20? There we go. 52 30 return. There we go. That's good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. 38.0 if a star equals j, then row equals row plus 1. We got this. 38.10 if a dollar equals k, then row equals row minus 1. 38.20 if a dollar equals h, then call equals call minus 1. I hate that I have it backwards, but whatever. If a dollar equals L, then call. Where's plus? Where's plus? Plus 1. There we go. And then we're going to do something different, which we didn't do last time. We're going to go like this. After we've processed all of the potential commands, we'll start off at 500, and we're now going to go, we're just simply going to go go sub 52,000, 38, 5, 10, go to 45,000 main sub routine, save, let's see, at 0 by 8. There we go. Wow, this has progressed since this morning. Yes. Well, we also had a bunch of we've lost data multiple times at this point. I am so bad at this. It's ridiculous.
Wow, this has progressed since this morning.
It is true. Very, very true. All right. So if I think we're missing something, but that's fine. Interesting. I wonder why that why we did that. Oh, I think I know what happened. I think I know what happened here. I think I know what happened here. Let's stop. No, actually, I don't know what happened. Actually, I have no idea what happened. What? List 0 through 10. What's 51,000 again? 51,000 is top pad. Okay, yes. Okay, top pad. I screwed that all up. So let's go like this. 6, enter for sure. List 0 through 100. There we go. And then we're going to go to 68 equals, let's see, row equals 1. Call equals 1. Go sub 52,000. There we go. Now we're going to run. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got that. That's nice. That's nice. Now L should move it over, but L is in fact not moving it over. It is not moving this over. All right, so that's annoying. So how would we debug this? I don't actually know how to debug this, but I have an idea. Hear me out. What happened if we did this? List, my guess is that it's in normal mode that we're not quite doing the properness. That's my guess. And so if I go like this, 38, I don't know, 100, print, row, call, I think that's right. I never know how to do these things right. All right. Okay, so that's not printing anything. So I'm wondering if I'm actually even hitting mode. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Guys, I didn't do this. Oh, I'm such an idiot. List 0 through 10. Oh my gosh, it's so obvious what I didn't do. It's so obvious what I didn't do. 6 money equals normal mode. I forgot normal mode. You know what I mean? I forgot to set it into normal mode. There it is. Okay. Okay, cool. I'm not sure why I keep going here and what's happening. We can kind of fix those things, but at least we got that one. 52. Crap. Listy 52,000. I knew that. 53,000. I knew that. Let's go like this. List 38,000. I forget what the number was to 40,000. We should probably come up with like a debug strategy that makes more sense. Okay. Okay, so illegal quantity. Okay. Interesting. Oh yeah, I forgot to do. Okay, yeah. I can fix her. I can fix her. I can fix her. I gotta come up with. There has to be better ways to do this. I know there's a better way to do this. I know there is. I just don't know how to do it yet. Well, which is to create Vi. Okay, we're gonna create Vi so we can learn to program. Okay, 38, 40, which is if row. Let's see. If row greater than 24, then row equals 24. 38, 50. If row is less than 0, then row equals 0. 38, 60. If call is greater than 40. No, wait, no, it's greater than 39, right? Yeah. 39, then call equals 39. And 38, 70. 70. If call is less than 0, then call equals 0. There you go. I forgot to put those in. You know what I mean?
Cheers to the. I'd give you the 3870 if you name it.
I'm not even saying if you know what I mean. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say, baby? All right. So I'm not updating the position, I don't think, properly, which is a little bit strange. So let's try to figure out why. My guess is it must be in the 4200. In everybody's least favorite function. This one has been the bane of my existence. All right, so this one is... Right, what are we doing wrong here? Let's keep our pants on this time. We're trying. Typo. What's the typo? 214 call. Okay, yeah, we can do that. We can change those. But it seems like everyone's seems like we have different ideas here. I don't think this is going to help at all. Right? 214. Wait, wasn't it sys? Oh, wait, was it? Was it a different sys? Did I get the wrong sys here? Here, let's just see what happens. I'm going to run. Okay. Let's go list 52,000 through 53,000 and go like this. 5225 is sys. What is it? 5 something, right? Right, sys? Wrong address. I'm not sure what you're trying to say here. 58732? Was Okay, well, let's try this one. Okay. 5220 sys 58732 5225 enter list 5200. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna create Vi just so I don't have to do that anymore. All right, well, let's just see what happens now. Nice. I mean, I have them backwards, but nice. Okay, we have them back. Hey, we have them backwards. Not a big deal. We have them backwards. All right. So let's 52,000 through 53,000, and then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go shift over here. 4. Whoever told me that was a liar, pants on fire. All right. And then we need to do one more thing. This is what I'm thinking. We need to do 52, 15, poke 204, 1, 52, 25, poke 204, 0. Oh, I thought that was going to turn off the cursor. Damn, I thought I had something. There. Okay, so why are some people saying poke 781 and 782? Huh. All right, so let's do a little bit of a save. Save. What is it? At 0 Vi. Dang it. Okay. Save at 0 Vi 8. All right, I can hear it. Nice. There we go. We got it all saved. W, and just in case, we'll go like this. Save at 0 Vi 2. Oh my gosh. Save at I gotta clean these up here soon.
Give me the meat.
You know what I mean? So I don't have any more confusion over this. Ah, dang it. Dude, I did that like 18 times. My gosh. It's so easy to do that. Oh, did that not? Oh, I thought that was like a shortcut. Okay, here. I thought I had something pretty good there, but then I realized that took me way longer than I was supposed to, and then all of that. All right, hey, thank you very much again. I appreciate that TMCP for the Twitch Prime. Thank you, Riotous Hades, for the Twitch Prime. Appreciate that. Bio Motion, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Blur, thank you for the Tier 1. Takazao, thank you for the 200 biddies. Pro Sweeper, thank you for this Twitch Prime. My gosh. So many of these things. All right, so there we go. So we have it moving. I just don't know how to make it do the right thing, right? Like, how come it keeps showing the cursor? I thought 204 makes it blink. So 204.1 makes it not blink. Then I thought I could move it, and then I could re-204 it. So does that not work? Dude, nobody likes 50. Nobody likes this function. See, I thought I could turn it on and off. Clean move is this one. Okay, let me try that one. I don't understand why that's a clean move. What makes this here? Let me just... Let's see. Get cursor location. Hold on. Please rotate the keyboard 180 degrees in OBS. It will align with your body. No, that'd be ridiculous. Yes, 52,000 is the root of all evil. Remember? It is. It literally is. We hate this one. All right. Let's see. What is 781? I'm curious. On the Commodore, 781 is not a routine state. So let's see. Poke 781. Let's see. 781 is the low byte of the, let's see, parameter block used by syscalls. Okay. Okay, let's try it out. You know what? Let's just try it out. Let's just, what's the worst thing that could happen? Let's see. 781, and we're going to go to column. Enter. 782, row, enter. And then we're going to go 65520, enter. I mean, see, okay, well, now I'm moving incorrectly backwards. But see, we still got the blinkies. I don't understand that. That will have to be something I don't quite get. So it's like the same, we have the same problem. So whoever, let's see, please rotate yourself 180 degrees. No. Okay, yeah. Low byte is, well, it's the low byte and high byte. You forgot 783? Well, what is 783? Let's see. What is poke 783? Nice, you're on the deep end now. It's one of those, it depends on what you're calling bytes. Third control mode argument. Gets cursor position. Okay, so 0 gets cursor position, 7 sets cursor position. So, okay, so what you're trying to say is I got to go. All right, so what you're trying to tell me, I tried to turn off these pokes and all that, or I tried to turn off the cursor. Poke 783 or 783 as set the cursor position. I don't know if I need to do that. Yeah, that seems to not, that's definitely not it. That's definitely not it. For fun, let's just try a 0 in there. Why not? Why not? We got time. Okay, there we go. That did set the... Oh, I thought it was it. Honestly, I thought it was it there for a second. It's not. Okay, so literally memory location 780 through 783 are the processor accumulator, X and Y registers, and flags. Yes. 204 turns off the cursor blink, but when you turn it off, the cursor remains in whatever state it was. I think you need to poke 204.1, poke 207.0. Oh, interesting. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so what? Let's see. Poke 207. Let's see. What about turning off cursor? I like this. 204 and 207. Okay, I think that makes sense. 204 turns off the cursor, but if I'm still in the cursor blink, then I need to do a 207. All right, let's try this. Okay, hold on. Let's 52,000, 53 that. All right, So one of these is something very, very important. So poke 2041 turns off the cursor. Correct. 204 and 255, according to a couple of old forums. Okay, interesting. So we can try. I mean, sure. Because it's a byte, right? That's what we actually are storing right there. Is it's a byte to be sent to these. So 255 would be 2 Fs. I mean, I'm glad to give this a rip. Damn, you know what? I honestly, there's part of me that thought it was definitely it. I definitely thought it was it. I thought this was it. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought we had something. All right, so I got to figure out where to read in this thing. I got to figure out where to read in this guy to find out what the problem is. Because I don't know how to turn this off. And I feel like this is the only one. Common errors or issues with the 204, the solid square bug, is if you disable the cursor, poke 2041 while it is on the on phase, the solid block blinking, it might leave a permanent solid square on the screen in that position. Timing with peak 207, professional C64 code often checks peak 207 before disabling the cursor. The address 207 tells the computer if the cursor is currently in blinked state, allowing the programmer to turn it off at the exact moment it won't leave a ghost. All right, so I have to do some sort of loop. Okay, so, okay. I think I can do this. So you're telling me that a classic, okay, we're talking about the classic, okay, the classic for counter for I equals 1 to 10,000, even though I know we don't need that many, right? All right, 52. Now, the question is how do I get a value back out of poke? I don't know how to get a value back out of poke. Poke 205, 2, wait, 207, 1, poke. Yeah, I don't know what 205.2 does. Peak. So do I need to go like this? If peak, actually, this is actually a really interesting question here. Let me try something else. Let me just save what we have up until now, right? Save. I'm not going to trust my program for right now. I'm going to save Vi. Apparently, I lost my phone died. Guys, phone's dead. Show's over. You know what? That actually is a good point. Maybe it's time to have show over here, people. New. And we're going to go like this. 10, 4. Actually, we're going to go like this. Poke. 204, 0. 20. 4 CT equals 1 to 10,000. 30. Print peak 207. I think that's what it was. I don't know if this is actually how you do it. I'm just guessing. Right? I'm a guesser. 30. Okay, so that didn't work. I was hoping that would work. I guess I don't know what... I wanted to just keep on printing it until I see it flip in and out. Peak 207. Okay, interesting. Okay. Okay, so you can see it kind of on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, cool. Okay, very interesting. All right, so now there's a wait. What is wait? Right? What is wait? Very good question. So let's list. All right, so we're going to turn this thing on. And I don't know how to use a wait. Let's see. What is wait? Commodore 64 wait basic command pauses execution until certain bits in memory are changed. So we can go peak address end mask. Okay, so we can go like this. We can do something like this. I want to see something. Let's do this. I've done the poking, right? 20, wait, and then let's go like this. We're going to wait 207 for 1. So we're going to wait 207 on 1. So we're going to wait until it is a 1, which I think is cursor. Let's just see if I got this correctly. Then we're going to poke 2. Let's go like this. X equals 1. Hold on, I should have done this earlier, but whatever. X equals Y equals 1. 50. Poke 214. I think 214 should be Y. I think. Poke. I think that's the one, right? 211 is X. No, we used different numbers, right? We used different numbers, didn't we? We used 781, right? 781 is high byte into your syscall. Did I get that right? We're going to high byte it with Y. It doesn't really matter. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This doesn't matter. I want to see, can I... 782. X. Nice. Let's go like this. Let's go 20, enter. So I'm going to set those two. Then we're going to do a 70. We're going to set those two. Then we're going to do a sys 65520. I believe that's the one. Then on 80, we're going to go X equals X plus 1. 90 equals Y equals Y plus 1. Then 100 is going to be wait for 207. Oh my gosh. Wait for 2071. 110 will be go to 50. Okay, that didn't quite do what I thought it was going to do. I think I may have done something I'm not supposed to do. I may have gone all over. 110 if X is less than 10, then 50. There we go. I don't see what's happening here. Oh, I just tried to do Control C. That's not a real thing. Did I just fully bork this? Flying around, I think flying around in whatever space I was, test. Maybe I've kind of broken some things. Maybe I've done something somewhere along the road that I'm not supposed to do. Yep. Are you making a loop with go-tos? How else do you make loops? Oh, I lost the go-to? Okay, we can... No, we didn't. I didn't lose the go-to, you loser. You guys acting like I lost the loop. And then I look at the code and I didn't lose the loop. You're just lying to me. Why are you lying to me? Right? Why are you lying to me? All right. You can see it right there. If X is less than 10, then 50. That's the loop. Idiot. All right. So if I run... Okay, so I got down to here, but it didn't really change anything. Okay, so that it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Maybe 780 is not the right one. 781, 782. All right. Did you call me? The loop? Yes, I did. Okay. All right. Because I wanted to wait for it to be a 1, then do all this executing, move the cursor. What I wanted to do is actually have it like right in the dot over and over again. So let's go like this. Let's go 49 is wait. 207 is 0. Right? Actually, no, let's go like this. 49 is wait, 207 is a 1. Maybe I have this wrong. Maybe I do. And then 100 is wait for 207 to be a 0. So I kind of do a nice little waiting. And then 110 is if X is less than 10, then 49. I feel like that could be nice. There we go. Okay, let's just see what happens. It doesn't seem like it did anything. $40. If peak 207 does not equal 0, then 40. Rem loop until cursor blinks off. Yeah, but isn't that what wait for? Isn't wait mask? Isn't that what it's for? Or am I reading wait wrong? I might be reading wait wrong. All right. All right, that's fine. We can like this. If, let's try this one. Peak 207 equals 1. Let's take this thing. Let's set this thing as 49. Hey now. Hey now, you can't do that. Then we can go to 50. Right? No, hold on. If this one equals that one, then we'll wait here until we get a... Yeah. That makes more sense. Okay, sorry. These if loops. I'm telling you what, if loops, very confusing to do. All right, I'll try it this way. I'm just to see what happens. If peak... I feel like I'm doing it incorrectly doing it this way. But whatever. 207 equals 1, then 100. All right. If 207 equals that, we're going to stay on this place. This nice classic if loop. Do a little sys. XY equals plus 1. If it equals 1, then we're going to stay in place. We're going to keep on doing that. Okay. Nice. Okay, that was a thing to behold. Are you telling me that I can't move the cursor if the cursor's in the middle of a blink? Is that actually what we're trying to say? I feel like I'm going the wrong direction here. You know what I mean? Oh, I thought I just swapped it so that it would move. Wait, did I not just flip that? Did I not just flip that? Did I not just flip that? I thought... All right, shouldn't this leave marks then? Right? If the other one didn't leave marks, does this leave marks? All right. All right. You should just use a sprite for this. Interesting. You can move your value. Let's see. You can move your value, but update it on off blink. You can also poke 207. Interesting. All right. Well, let's just try that, just for fun. 10 for I equals 1 to 1,000. 15 is poke 207. Is there a modulo? Is there? I assume there's modulo, right? Is there a modulo? Operators 172. I don't see a modulo. A modulus, sorry. Modulus. Whatever. Shut up. You know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how I got that backwards. Anyways, okay, so there's not a modulus. I don't know where I got modulo from. All right, it is mod. Nice. All right, x x mod 2. Let's go 9 x equals 0. 16x percent equals, oh my gosh, dude, I'm typing so weird. Okay, this is some shitty code I wrote right there. For this one, run. I was hoping to see it go brrrr. Oh, I did it wrong. All right, syntax error in this one, so we can't just mod x mod 2. Of course it's mod. Print 15 mod 2. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? I think that ChatGPT lied to me. Is ChatGPT lying to me? Is that what we're seeing here? I don't think I don't know. I didn't know that this was a formula. I don't know what just happened right there. That seems really stupid. Something I must have put the things in incorrect order. Try poke 204, because I'm looking at that formula. I must have mistyped it, but 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 is just 17 minus 17. I don't know what I did wrong there. Hold on. Try print. Okay, why would and make any sense? But that doesn't make any sense. That's not what I'm trying to do. And doesn't make any sense. Bitwise? Sure. I mean, it works. Okay, I can't even see it. It's unseeable. I was thinking it was going to be flipping on and off, on and off, on and off. Right? But that in fact did not do that. Just in case I did something wrong.
Give me the meat and give it to
All
me
right, so
raw.
that, I mean, that is doing it. Look how fast that for loop is, dog. That for loop, fast. All right, I was hoping to see it. I don't see it flopping back and forth, right? 207 is a variable that keeps track of whether the cursor is currently shown on the screen. Yeah, it doesn't seem like poking it would make any difference. 207 is just updated if the thing has been modified, right? All right. I'm going to stop messing around here. All right, guys, I'm going to go. I got stuff to do. I'm sorry. I know you guys are enjoying this, but I got to go. All right. I think you guys are really cool, adorable, beautiful. Dang, what else? What else are you guys? Dude, you guys are like sexy. Thanks for all. Hey, not idea quid. Thank you very much. T2, thanks for the raid. I appreciate that. Thank you for the Twitch Prime.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
Appreciate that. Okay, I've spelled SFan wrong. I spelled SFan very wrong somehow. Not exactly sure how I just did that, but I just did that. Oh, it's TV. I forgot the TV. Did it wrong again. Nice. Nice. I forgot the SFan. Man, I am struggling today. I am genuinely struggling today. All right, dude, I can't believe how close I got. I can't believe I'm getting owned by a cursor blink. Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating. I know there's a hype train coming, but I don't want no hype train. I don't want no hype train. Get your hype train out of here. I am so frustrated. Dude, getting owned by 52,000. Dude, 52,000 is a dick. Can we all agree that everybody hates 52,000? Never take a